Pop quiz. On this grid, which point lies on the circle with center 2, -1, and radius 3? Is it A, 6, -1, B, 2, 3, C, -2, -1, or D, 2, -4? We'll reveal the answer in a moment. In this video, you'll learn how to recognize and use the equations of circles and ellipses so you can move quickly on ACT questions. We'll also walk through the pop quiz step by step and reveal the correct answer. You're watching ACT Prep with Quizlet. Quick lessons to help you feel more confident on test day. First up, circles. The standard equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. The point h, k, is the center. The number r is the radius. Understanding the equation is one thing, but the ACT wants you to use it. Let's apply this to our pop quiz. A point is on the circle if its distance to the center is exactly the radius. From 2, -1 to 2, -4 is 3 units straight down. So point D is on the circle. The other points are 4 units away from the center, not 3, so they are not on the circle. Now let's try a new example. What are the center and radius of x plus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 9? Remember, x plus 2 means x minus -2. So the center is -2, 1, and r squared is 9, so the radius is 3. Here's a common trap to avoid. Do not copy the signs directly from the parenthesis. The form is x minus h and y minus k. So if you see x plus 2, that actually means h is -2. Same idea for y terms. So far, we've learned the equation of a circle and how to determine the center and radius. Ready to lock in? Tap the link for a quick ACT practice on Quizlet, then jump back in so you can keep learning without missing a beat. Now let's extend this idea. An ellipse is like a stretched circle. The standard form is x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. In this form, a is the horizontal semi-axis length and b is the vertical semi-axis length. How do you tell which way it stretches? If a is bigger than b, the ellipse is wider than it is tall. So the major axis is horizontal. If b is bigger, the major axis is vertical. The larger denominator marks the stretch direction. Here's an example. We're given an ellipse with center 3, -2, a horizontal axis length of 8, and a vertical axis length of 4. The horizontal axis length is 2a, so a is 4. The vertical axis length is 2b, so b is 2. That means a squared is 16 and b squared is 4. Substituting into the standard form gives x minus 3 squared over 16 plus y plus 2 squared over 4 equals 1. Now let's try another one. We're given the ellipse x minus 1 squared over 25 plus y plus 2 squared over 9 equals 1. First, let's find the center. Then let's check whether the point 6, -2 lies on the ellipse. The center is 1, -2. Now let's test the point. We substitute x equals 6 and y equals -2 into the ellipse equation. We get 25 over 25 plus 0 over 9, which equals 1. Since the left side equals 1, the point is on the ellipse. One more important idea. If a equals b, an ellipse becomes a circle. Same denominators means the stretch is the same in both directions, which is exactly a circle. Now, let's do a recap. Circles use x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Ellipses use the same idea, but with a squared and b squared in the denominators. Read the center from the parenthesis and test a point by substitution. Keep learning. Visit our ACT Study Hub for practice tests to get you ready for test day.